Okay, this presentation is about input, create, output. Okay, so we can choose from many 3D modeling and animation applications. 3ds Max, Maya, ZBrush. Even Blender, it's free and it can make professional results. Okay, in recent years, 3D applications have been revolutionized by what you can input into them, what you can create, and what you can output from them into the physical world. This means that for many, it is an invaluable tool. This presentation shows only some of the things that are possible. Okay, I've divided the 3D process into three main factors. ICO, these stand for input, create, and output. So input, the information from the real world or other software that we can input into 3D applications. For example, CAD models. We can input CAD models into 3D applications. Okay. High-end 3D scanning, real-life objects instantly scanned. Very expensive. There's an alternative for now, which is almost as good. And it is called 123D Catch. This automatically creates a mesh with textures in lightning speed from photographs. I'm going to talk to you about this in another presentation. One more thing, sketches. We can use sketches in 3D applications as a reference. So here's a sketch I did of the South Bank in London. You could use that as a reference to build your models up, or you could use it as part of the work. Okay, so 123D as a catch is amazing. Why? Modeling takes a long time. With 123D catch, we get instant models. We could use them as references. A good example is if a sculptor makes a small model, they could scan it in using 123D catch, edit it a bit, and then output it as a very, very big model using another print technique. So create 3D, modeling, lighting, rigging, and animation. I use 3ds Max. Here's a bee that I've been making. It has what's called a cat rig attached to it. Makes the parts move when you animate it. Okay, animations. We can create animations. There's a film called Structures Like the Leaves I made about 6 years ago, and it was in a Channel 4 film festival. Structures Like the Leaves. The style wasn't meant to be hyper-realistic, a bit more cartoony, so I think that stood the test of time because it was a bit cartoony. Anyway, here it is. I'm quite pleased with it. As I say, it got into a Channel 4 film festival. Okay, 3D real-time computer game technology. This is a recording from a level I made of Cadiz using sketches and photograph references. You can walk around this level like in a computer game. Some nice effects, the waves and the light was made by a very, very good programmer I worked with on that one. And there's the famous bee again, the honey bee that I've made. Output. So this is what I find the most interesting. We can now output 3D meshes and models from screen into reality. This is revolutionary. Sending our models to high-end 3D printing companies such as Shapeways. I'll show you the results of that in a few weeks. Pepakura. Fold and glue paper modeling technique. Perhaps as a child you've done this. Here's what I've been doing, and I'm in the process of making this, so you'll see the results of this soon. 123D make. Output as a layer or slot model. Again, you've probably made things like this as children. It prints the contours and you can build the contours up in reality. Good idea. So it's amazing. We can make complex 3D shapes in reality. Sorry, we can make complex shapes in 3D and realize them in reality in the physical world. It's amazing. It means we can make complex models in reality using 3D. So here are the three elements. So there are endless possibilities, and the future will only bring more opportunities for your creativity. I can teach you online, face-to-face, if you want. And there are some more exciting things coming soon that I'm going to be putting on YouTube, etc. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, Blogspot. Join me, keep up to date, communicate, tell me what you're doing. Okay, great. Thanks for watching.